Hey guys, it's Jamie. I hope you're doing well. And today is, let me look at my little calendar, August the 11th. Place for you to go, the Dollar Tree. And just for $1, you can get a phenomenal calendar. Got mine. They've already put their calendars out for 2019, and this comes with a 2-pack, so you get a little small calendar that goes with it. Hi, Jupiter. How you doing? So it comes with the small calendar, and here's a little sneak peek of your months. And this is all for $1. And if you're like me and you like cats on everything, most of everything, you'll love this. So go check out the Dollar Tree and get you an awesome calendar.
Hello everybody, and if you're still watching this video, then you made it to the end of this video and you're probably an avid follower. Sorry for the filter, but I like to keep some anonymity, and my eye kind of moved over, weird. But I just want to get on here at the end of this video and say thank you for all my new subscribers. We have reached 300 subscribers. There's 300 people in this world that are avidly following me and liking my stuff. Blows my mind, but thank you, thank you, thank you. Awesome stuff. Is this a pig or a cat? I can't tell. Sometimes these filters are weird. Anywho, I have looked at some of the other videos that are really up there, and I am in shock at how popular these cats are. If you don't know, I am on Snapchat a lot. I'm also on Instagram, so please follow us if you want like daily stuff like this video. Again, thank you all. If you haven't picked up this calendar, overlook, I was saying that you should pick up this calendar for $1. It's for next year. It's $1 at the Dollar Tree. Totally worth getting it because you get an extra one. Again, thank you all. It was a really nice surprise to see over the weekend that we made it to 300. So I hope you all have a wonderfully blessed day.